Hey, we're going to do some application problems with linear functions, mainly writing linear functions. The first question we have here, a large pizza costs $12 and then 50 cents per topping. Write a function that will calculate the total cost of a pizza with X toppings. So we got two things here. We have a $12 initial fee and then a 50 cent per topping rate. So we're going to write this as a function, and since we're talking about a cost function, let's just call it C. And it says we're going to make it X topping, so C of X. Okay, so two things this needs, or possibly needs. It needs a rate, which is the thing that's changing here, and it's 50 cents per topping. Okay, so one topping would be an additional 50 cents, two toppings would be $1. And then plus the initial cost of $12. And you can probably figure that out in your head or how to calculate that, but it's important to be able to write a function so that it comes together. Okay. Next we have Bob, who is about to retire, starts his year with 60 cows. He slaughters 2 a week until they are gone. Write a function that calculates the number of cows he has left based on the number of weeks into the year it is. Okay, so let's see. Let's use C again, but in this case we'll use it for cows. And maybe we'll call it C of W, so cows based on the number of weeks. Okay, so it's nice when they have some type of meaning to them. So let's see here. What is changing here? He is losing 2 cows per week, so we can write that as minus 2 per week. And then we're starting with the 60. So from the 60, we're taking away the 2W. So we could write a C of W equals negative 2W plus 60. And there's nothing wrong with that. That's the traditional y equals mx plus b form. It probably makes a little bit more sense in your mind to write it as C of W equals 60 minus 2W. Because you see the starting amount and then you see what you're taking away there. So you're starting with 60 and then losing 2. Whereas in the other one, you're starting at 12 and adding 50 cents to it. Either way, I could see you wanting to reverse that. All right, thank you.